Hello customer. Now this is Cardot 4G GSM GPS alarm system. Thank you for your support. You buy our product. Now I tell you how to set the alarm. When your car alarm is triggered, you will get an SMS command notification, and you will get a full alarm or notification. But you need to set by some SMS commands formats. Firstly, shock sensor alarm, ultrasonic sensor alarm, and illegal start alarm, SOS alarm. I will show you them one by one. Now, okay, let me set SMS command. Night alarm, the shock sensor alarm. Okay, firstly I test this one. You don't change anything. Okay, you just copy and send this SMS to the GPS module as a SM card number. Okay, send. Wow, good. Okay, shock sensor alarm is set successful. And now let us set sensor alarm. Okay, this one. Okay, I sent. Okay, very good. Okay, ultrasonic sensor alarm is set, is finished. Okay, now let us test other alarm. Oh, vibration. Okay, this one. Vibration alarm, shock sensor alarm. Okay, this one. Okay, very good. And next alarm is SOS alarm. SOS alarm. Okay, this one. Okay, SOS alarm. Get SMS feedback. Okay, let us test if it is successful or not. Okay, this is SOS button. Hold this 3 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Release. Okay, get SS alarm. And call me now. Call me now, please. Yes, he is coming. Thank you. Turn off. Okay, this is SOS alarm. Ultrasonic send the second. Okay, it is triggered the second time, so you get this second SMS command feedback. Yes, vibration message. Shock alarm. Wait a moment. Okay. Okay, this is phone number from the same. This number, the same GPS module SM number. Okay. Okay. Try ultrasonic sensor again. Take it out. Okay, copy. Paste. I sent. Okay. Ultrasonic sensor SMS. Oh, I have set this. Move. Yes, you get it there. Okay, wait. You need to get this one. Get this one. Okay, this ultrasonic sensor alarm. Okay, I get. Okay, phone number. Okay, call me. Okay. Oh. Okay, ultrasonic sensor SOS vibration night alarm. Okay, they are working now. You can do it like this video. Everything is normal. Thank you. Bye bye.